Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Monica Tibon. All of you who don't know how to do all of these stuff, I'm going to learn you. I'm going to teach you how to do it. So let's start with the blue. So if you want to make a trick, very cool, you have to do this, swing with it lightly. Now let's go to the monkey bars. If I fall that, I actually can skip bar on this monkey bars all the way, but only if the monkey bars is very tight. So if my hands are slippery, then I'm going to fall. Okay? So I can show you how to skip bar. So if you can't even do that skipping bar, then there's no more skipping bars. So then you can just go like this. And you can just go like that. And if you can't do any of those tricks, then you're going to have to practice because Daniel keeps trying. And you all know I've done lots of channels. And there's another one that I wanted to do that I saw, but I can't do it yet. So watch. So now I'm going to do the rope. So let's go to the rope. And one trick, if you can't climb the rope, then go on the climbing frame and then get to the rope and slide down like that. And you can climb the rope. And if you actually can't, then I'm going to learn you how. Then I'm going to teach you how to go up. So you have to go like this. Look. So your feet need some help. So your feet will help you. 1 foot under, and 1 foot over, and then the one over pushes the other one. Then our hands have more muscles to help. Then our hands have more strength to let it go higher and higher. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so now I'm going to learn you how to do the rings. So this is one of the tricks that is my favourite. You have to push your arms up and then bring your legs. I can't do it yet, but I'm trying to do it. Because champions keep trying. So there's another trick. You can't do this trick like me, then you have to practice doing your muscles of under your shoulders. Swing around like this and go back. So if you can't do that, then just practice to hold this and hold. So if you can do that for 10 or 20 seconds, then you can spin around like that. So the reason why to do this of the muscles from the under your shoulders to do from this trick. So we're doing that because then look what I'm doing. It's pushing me up and helping my arms. Then my legs will come. So if you have strong tummy muscles, then it will help your tummy to help your legs. Now I'm going to teach you how to do the climbing. climb it, but I can't. But I'm too scared to go over it. But I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my farthest to do it. So I'm gonna show you how to do. I'm gonna just teach you how to do. So you have to put your hands on the next bar, and then put your feet after your hands. And when you get to the top here and you're not scared, then we have to here. And then keep doing your legs. And then you're going to start doing monkey bars. See? And I think I can do it without holding hands. So that's how to do the climbing frame. But both of your muscles, your leg muscles and your arm muscles, both have to like pull your arm on top of the bar. When your arm is like higher than not bar. When your arm is higher than the rope, then you can do your feet. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe and make sure to keep trying because champions keep trying. Bye.